Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Design Aesthetics by Charlotte Rose. So on this video, I'll be doing a fall tablescape for you guys. It's gonna be so beautiful. Please stick around to see the end result. And this table, guys, I've been working on it for weeks now, and finally it's come to fruition. And if you guys are interested in another video on how I restored this table, please leave a comment down below. This is it. Hopefully I did a good job. It's velvetly smooth. Like, since the advent of milk, there's nothing smoother than silk. And that's my table. Guys, it's so smooth. You can't even, I mean, it's smooth. That gloss, the sun glare, and all of that. Beautiful. And I'm gonna give myself a pat on my back. Finally, guys, I get to decorate the table, and I'm gonna decorate it as I'm gonna be using it for this fall. So if that's something you guys want to see, please stick around for the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you've liked thus far, and let's get started. These are some of the items I'm going to be putting on the table. It could be less, it could be more, but for now this is what I'm going to start out with. Alright guys, this is it for the table runner and the mats. I'm keeping it, you know, neutral because it's fall season and stuff like that. So let's move on to the plates. So now it's time to add my dinner plates. These I picked up at Walmart. I personally love the cluster of polka dot patterns on it. I picked these up like just the plates and the cups and stuff like that, but they do come in like a set, a box set, with like bowls and smaller plates and stuff like that, which should work out a bit more affordable if you want to do that. But I got these last year, so I'm just gonna use what I have. And set the table for four, but obviously we're gonna have you guys way more for like plain plates. So then I'm gonna go ahead and place this plate here. It says blessed. I got that at Walmart also last year or 2 years ago. So I have two that says blessed and two that says grateful. So I'm gonna place the two gratefuls at the head of the table and the blessed on the sides of the table. All right. Yes. So this is what we have so far. Not bad. These are my cutlery. I got these, I think, from Amazon. So we're gonna place these respectively where they need to go, like so. Let me just do the rest. Okay, so I went ahead and I added my cutleries, dinner fork, a knife, and a spoon. And I added the spoon only because it's fall season, so it might be a little bit chilly in the November months and stuff like that. So you could have a little bit of hot chocolate, some coffee, some tea, whatever your choice is. And therefore my coffee bar is just like a hand stretch away. I could grab a cup. I could also add this to my tablescape here, which I might, you know, I might just bring the staging up a little bit. So I'm gonna add the cups, right? Just so we know we could have some hot coffee, tea, hot chocolate, you know, warm milk. Who knows? Now that our cups are on, it brings me to what we're gonna drink. It could be wine, some sorrel as we do in Jamaica, some water. So you need a glass. Those I picked up at Dollar Tree last year. It's like a little tint of black. I just love the color when I saw it. So we have those. Now that I have that, I'm just gonna work on a simple little centerpiece here. So I have this plate here. I got this in Burlington a couple of years ago. And my table is rather narrow, guys, but we shall make it work. So I'm just gonna use that as my centerpiece holder. This I picked up, where did I get that from? I don't remember, guys, but if you check in my shopping haul, I think I got that at TJ Maxx. Big Lots, yes. So I'm gonna set that there. Then these one too I got from Big Lots. Beautiful little stuff. So like I said, I just want the centerpiece to be simple so we could still talk while we eat. For little added decoration, I'm gonna have those little squirrels, right? Just for a little added decor, right? We could still talk, chat it up, drink it up, and don't worry about not seeing each other. So with that, you might need a little ambiance, right? Have some candles. So far, this is what it's looking like, guys. Not bad. Like I said, the table is narrow, so you have to be careful if you have a narrow table. It's not as wide, right? Don't overcrowd. So after this, it needs a little color. It's a little bit on the neutral side. So I'm gonna add some color. So for a punch of color, I'm just gonna add those napkins. They're just made out of small pieces of fleece that I had, and I just cut it and put it on there. So just for some color, that's what we're gonna do. Right, my scissors. So not looking bad so far, right? I still feel like I could give it a little bit more color, so I'm gonna run to the living room and grab a few more stuff, come back, and then go grab the chairs, which is not done yet, not even yet. I haven't started on the chairs yet, but I'm just gonna set the chairs here so you guys could see the full view of what it's gonna look like. Alright guys, so even though I said my table is narrow, I still feel like I could sneak some kind of color in here. You know, like that. Right? And then these two specs here, I could just tuck them in somewhere. Okay guys, so I tried my best to get the little specks of color on the table, and it's not looking bad. I mean, realistically, I might not put that there. When we're gonna eat, might move everything away except for the plates and the cups and all that stuff, but just for the staging and the look and the feel and the ambiance, it's perfect. Then I'm gonna add just these little signs that I picked up last year, I think at Joann's. So that one says joyful, this one says blessed, and I have a few more that I'm just gonna scatter around the table just so to remind ourselves of how blessed we are as a people. So yeah, So far it's not looking bad. One thing is left is some candles. So if this is a table setting for 2 and you want to light the candle for that added ambiance, go right ahead. Okay, guys, I think that is looking beautiful. What you guys think? What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna go outside and grab my chair. So I want to quickly show you these chairs. I got these at the thrift store like last year, around little after I found the table. I knew I needed small chairs for this type of table because of the stretcher that's under the table there. It would not work with large chairs, but oh my god, guys, I wish I could have shown you when I was putting the chair down, but I couldn't. The chairs, now I know why the owners got rid of it, because they are the hardest thing to open. So I know now when I open them, I'm not gonna close them back because it's the hardest thing. The best thing about these chairs is that, to me, you know, they give that modern look. The seats are that color. I was thinking to change it, but I'm not, because they're in good condition. And the best part, I paid $24 for all 4. So that's the best part. But to open these chairs, oh my god, Jesus, I'm gonna have to oil something. And it's obvious, guys, that it doesn't match the chair, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, so it looks, you know, more matching. I'm gonna do something, but I'm not sure yet. I might sand it down and try, I don't know. I honestly don't know, but I know I'm not gonna paint it black or not like that. I was thinking about that, but I'm not. So I'm gonna add this last chair and then show you guys the reveal. Oh, and if I didn't mention, guys, this is an outdoor rug I got at Target on sale for $18 when the end of summer sale came around. So it just looked perfect under here. I'm not gonna keep it under there because with the kids that I have, it must be crazy. So let's put the last chair under and the reveal is on its way. Guys, I'm done. And then I have to go to work. But I'm done with this table here. It's looking beautiful. I wish it could stay like this, but with my kids and the grandkids, no way, OJ. But this is looking gorgeous. This is looking so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So nice. I love it. I love it. So just before I show you guys the reveal, I am gonna take you guys back down to memory lane of where it's coming from. Just the table in itself, the neutral look that it gives is the inspiration for just this neutral palette that I'm going with this year. I am loving it, like I said, so hope you guys do too. Please comment down below, guys, tell me what you think. Okay guys, let's just start with the table itself. The professionalism of how it looks and stuff like that. The colors just came together like mwah. The oranges, the burgundy, the gold, the black, the neutrals. Oh my goodness, guys, I just love it. I love it. And like I said, I wish it could stay this way, but it can't because this is a regular household with regular happenings. Okay, we eat here, we play here, we do homeworks here, so it's just for the show. But leave a comment down below, guys, tell me what you think of it. You know, the little splashes of gold, the this, the that. Loving it. Please, guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And definitely enjoy your Thanksgiving, whatever you're bringing to the table, no pun intended. See you guys on another video. Bye. Au revoir.